Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Finding memory conflicts among multiple threads, a detailed tutorial. Memory conflicts in multi-threaded programming are a common source of bugs and can be notoriously difficult to debug. These conflicts arise when multiple threads access and modify the same memory location concurrently, leading to data races, race conditions, and other unexpected behaviors. This tutorial will delve into the causes of memory conflicts, techniques for detecting them, and tools that can assist in identifying and resolving these issues. We'll explore code examples in C++ using threads to illustrate the concepts. 1. Understanding memory conflicts ****. A memory conflict, also known as a data race, occurs when the following conditions are met simultaneously. Multiple threads * 2 or more threads access the same memory location. Concurrent access * at least one of the accesses is happening concurrently, i.e., not protected by synchronization mechanisms.